Convert 1/8 to a decimal. So now this could be kind of confusing, right? Because we're doing the whole unbundling thing. We have 1 at the top. 8 does not go into 1, so we have to take this 1. We have to make it into a 10 tenths. So 10 tenths, which is equal to, I'm going to write this every time just because I want you to be clear what is happening, which is equal to 1. So let's take the 10 tenths and divide it by 8. So let's do 10 divided by 8. How many times does 8 go into 10? 1 time. And what's the remainder? 2. Okay. So now we have 2 tenths remaining. So 2 tenths. So we have 1 whole and the remainder is 2 tenths. Now how do I take this 2 tenths and have it such that 8 can go into 2 tenths? Well, I have to take the 2 tenths and I have to convert it to 20 hundredths. Okay, 20 hundredths. And now I can do 20 divided by 8, which is what? 8 goes into 20 2 times. Okay, and what's the remainder? 2 times 8 is 16. Remainder is 4. So now you have 4 hundredths. That's the remaining, right? That's the remaining 4 hundredths. So how can I take this and write that as rewrite it as a way to divide by 8? Well, we can think about what's to the right of the hundreds, the thousands, right? So we can write this as 40 thousandths. Okay, and now let's divide that by 40 over 8, which is 5. Okay, so now we have the place value. So we have all the numbers we need. We just have to put them in the right place values. Okay, so we have the 1, we have the 2, and we have the 5. This is in the tens place. This is in the hundreds place, and this is in the thousands place. Okay, so then the final answer becomes 0.125. The core concept here is how do we take numbers and rebundle or unbundle them to have it be able to divide. And knowing this is really important. Knowing that 10 tenths is equal to 1, and that's why I can put 8 into 10 tenths. And then I get a remainder of 2, like I have 2 remaining 2 tenths, which I have to then rebundle into 20 hundredths, because that's the only way I can keep putting 8 into it. And I continue this pattern until I don't have any more remainders. The only reason we continued from here is because I had 4 hundredths, I had 2 tenths, and it all just kept going until I got to this last one. And there will be cases where maybe it just keeps going and going and going, and we'll see what happens then.